Hello and welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel. So today I'm going to cook some rainbow trout. I saw this fillet in the supermarket yesterday and it looked lovely and fresh, so I thought, right, that'll be something nice to have on a Saturday evening. And what can I have with it? So I'm going to try and make a Feta Bouyiourdi, I think is the pronunciation, but basically it's baked feta with tomatoes and peppers. And I'm going to add to it some sun-dried tomatoes, and also part of the ingredients we have is some oregano and some coriander powder. So yeah, join me while I prepare this, and let's hope it's tasty. First you can cut up your pepper, as you can see me doing here. Now I went for a yellow pepper on this occasion, but you can use any colour that you prefer, and de-seed it and slice. Next we halve our cherry tomatoes. Now I've used about 8 to 10, but that's because it was a serving for one, so just adjust according to how many people you're cooking for. I'm also adding some sun-dried tomatoes which I've sliced, but that's optional. Finally, cut your feta into chunks. Now a traditional Feta Bouyiourdi would be baked in the oven wrapped in foil, but I'm doing a bit of a cheat one here. So first of all I put my peppers in a pan with some olive oil, and I want to soften those a little bit. When your peppers have cooked down a little bit and softened slightly, then I'm going to add my sun-dried tomatoes. Now, as I said earlier, these are optional, so if you're not using them, just skip this stage. In we go now with our cherry tomatoes. Followed by the spices, the oregano and the coriander powder. The final ingredient for the Bouyiourdi is the feta, which I've put in here, and then I slowly cook that down. The whole thing took about 10 to 15 minutes. As I'm just cooking for one person, I thought I'd save washing up, and I'm going to cook the rainbow trout fillets in the same pan. So I put a little bit of olive oil in and pop the trout in, as you can see here. Then just a little bit of pepper and cook it slowly. The rainbow trout didn't take very long, 2 or 3 minutes on either side, and I'm just adding a little bit of lemon juice for the final finish to this, and then we're ready to plate up. And here we have it, rainbow trout fillet with a Feta Bouyiourdi, or my take on that, cooked on the top of the oven with a flatbread on the side, and it was delicious. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you here again soon.